Dr. William Li suggests 5 superfoods that can starve cancer and prevent disease.
Decisions every day that affect our health and well-being, especially when it comes to food. The time has come for us to start thinking about what we eat in a new way.
This is Dr. William Li, a Harvard-trained medical doctor and author, is the president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation, a nonprofit focused on blood vessel health and disease prevention. He believes that certain foods and snacks can trick our bodies into starving cancer cells and killing other diseases. His research has led to over 40 FDA-approved therapeutics and devices for cancer, cardiovascular disease, wound healing, and vision loss. Li empowers individuals to make informed dietary choices to protect their well-being against cancer and other diseases.
Recent research study that did a meta-analysis of 57 studies looking at vitamin C from diet and cancer was found to lower the incidence of bladder cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, endometrial cancer, esophageal cancer, cancer of the stomach, brain tumors, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, prostate cancer, and kidney cancer.
In today's video, with the help of Dr. Li, we will uncover the power of 5 superfoods that starve cancer and prevent disease. As we age, our risk of developing cancer increases, making dietary choices crucial in combating the disease. Poor choices can lead to excess fat, posing additional health risks. Consuming certain foods can boost body defenses and combat cancer cells, promoting overall health and vitality. Which food amongst these is best of all? Well, let's see if you can guess. The answer will be revealed subsequently in the video.
The greatest thing is that you can eat to actually rev your metabolism. And there are foods that can activate our beneficial fat called brown fat that actually can fight excess body fat through a process called thermogenesis. So here are just some of the foods.
Dr. Li advocates for personalized diets and eating to combat diseases. He mentions certain ingredients for starving cancer and fighting diseases, but these superfoods are supplements and should not replace proper clinical consultation. It is crucial to consult a healthcare provider for a personalized approach before making any diet changes. Are you excited to explore which all diseases and forms of cancer can be escaped by using these superfoods? Number 1. Coffee. The first superfood recommended by Dr. Li is coffee. But how coffee can starve cancer? Coffee is a widely consumed global beverage that has garnered significant scientific interest due to its potential anti-cancer properties. Here we discuss key points related to coffee's potential anti-cancer effects.
Coffee has a natural chemical called chlorogenic acid that does a lot of things. It improves your blood flow, stimulates your own stem cells to help your organs regenerate.
Coffee beans contain bioactive compounds like cafestol and coeol, which may have anti-cancer effects. These compounds can be found in the oil of coffee beans and vary depending on the type of bean, roasting process, and preparation method. Organic beans have more chlorogenic content than conventionally grown beans. Caffeine, known for its stimulating effects, also plays a role in preventing cancer cell growth. Diterpenes in coffee activate enzymes that detoxify the body, eliminating potential carcinogens. Coffee components induce apoptosis in cancerous cells, facilitating their controlled death and preventing growth and spread. Recently, a study was published in the Journal of Annals of Internal Medicine.
171,000 people in their 50s living in the United Kingdom, and it showed that those who drank 2 to 3.5 cups of coffee per day had a 30% lower risk of all-cause mortality. That means death from any cause. The people came from a database called the UK Biobank that has 500,000 people participate.
Here are some simple and refreshing ways to add coffee to your cancer prevention regime. Classic black coffee. Brew ground coffee with hot water for a simple, pure cup. It is rich in antioxidants, which fight inflammation and reduce chronic disease risk. Enjoy hot or cold and serve as a base for elaborate coffee drinks. Coffee smoothie. Make a nutritious smoothie by blending cold brewed coffee with banana, cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, honey, and ice. This smoothie provides protein, fiber, and antioxidants, ensuring a strong start to your day. Mocha latte. Make a mocha latte by blending brewed coffee with cocoa powder, warm milk, and a sweetener. This homemade treat offers antioxidant benefits and enhances mood and cognitive function, making it a luxurious treat any time of the day. When anti-cancer foods are being discussed, nature has more to offer. But before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by dropping your comments in the comment section. Number 2. Soy. According to Dr. Lee, research shows that soy is connected to longevity and better health. In a study of more than 5,000 women with breast cancer, it was shown that the more soy the women ate, the longer they lived. Their soy consumption was associated with a decrease of almost 30% in the risk of death. Breast cancer patients who consumed more soy were less likely to recur, while soy may also lower prostate cancer risk, a finding that may not only apply to women but also to men.
When he ran the urine underneath this thing called a mass spectrometry, okay, you see these spikes. And he found a spike that didn't belong in the human, and it only came from the soybean. And it was a spike of genistein. So he cut out that spike, which we can do in the lab, and he tested it on blood vessels that would be feeding cancer. It immediately stopped those blood vessels from growing. And so this was to discover that genistein found in plant-based foods like soybeans could actually be anti-angiogenic, and they could cut off the blood supply feeding cancers. Really.
But what makes soy that potent? Soybeans contain isoflavones, a compound that mimics estrogen, which has raised concerns about its potential to fuel tumor growth. However, recent research suggests that soy isoflavones may bind weaker to estrogen receptors than the body's natural estrogen, potentially providing a protective effect against stronger estrogen binding and cancer growth. So, if you're looking to munch on some soy-powered snacks, here are some very delicious options for you. Edamame. Boil or steam soybeans in the pods and sprinkle with sea salt. This simple preparation not only preserves their fresh, nutty flavor, but also provides a wealth of nutritional benefits. Edamame is rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for supporting muscle health, digestion, and overall well-being. Roasted soybeans. Roasting and seasoning soybeans, also known as soy nuts, offer a satisfying crunch and a protein punch. Beyond their delicious taste and texture, roasted soybeans are packed with essential nutrients like protein, iron, and healthy fats. They make for a convenient and nutritious snack option, helping to keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Number 3. Pomegranates. Next are pomegranates, a superfood known for their distinctive taste, which have potential health benefits, including anti-cancer effects, due to their rich array of bioactive compounds, including antioxidants, polyphenol, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are responsible for the deep red color, have antioxidant properties, and contribute to the fruit's antioxidant properties. Do you know which types of cancer are prevented by pomegranates?
And here's what's in the juice. It's got something called elagitannins. These are bioactives that can do a lot of great things. One of the things they do is actually they can cut off the blood supply to tumors, so they can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply.
Elagitannins, a type of polyphenol found in fruits like pomegranates, strawberries, and nuts, are converted into urolithins by gut bacteria, which have potential anti-cancer properties. These urolithins inhibit cancer cell growth, induce apoptosis, and have anti-inflammatory effects, making them beneficial for cancer prevention and treatment. Flavonoids, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, influence the expression of genes involved in cancer cell proliferation and apoptosis.
But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called
Akkermansia, a beneficial bacterium found in the mucus layer of the intestines, is vital for gut health by promoting intestinal barrier integrity, regulating immune function, and influencing metabolism, while elagitannins also aid its growth. A study done by Zhaoli Dai in 2010 revealed a unique property of pomegranates. Pomegranate extract has been suggested as a natural compound for inhibiting the growth of cancer stem cells, a subset of cells within tumors with unique properties such as self-renewal and differentiation. Eliminating or suppressing these cells could potentially eradicate tumors more effectively and achieve long-term remission in cancer patients. Preventing the proliferation and survival of cancer stem cells hold significant promise in cancer treatment strategies. Pomegranates are versatile and can be incorporated into various juices and salad recipes. Pomegranate salsa. Prepare a vibrant salsa by combining diced tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime juice in a bowl. Add a generous amount of fresh pomegranate seeds to the mixture and gently toss to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. You can also make a pomegranate yogurt dip, which is a creamy and tangy dip made by mixing Greek yogurt with lemon juice and honey. It's topped with pomegranate seeds for a burst of freshness. For a refreshing drink, extract the vibrant flavors of pomegranate seeds into a juice by blending them and straining. You can dilute the juice with water or add honey for sweetness. Both recipes are perfect for a refreshing and healthy meal. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are nutrient-rich foods with anti-cancer properties and bioactive compounds. They promote overall health by stimulating the immune system and supporting neurological function, making them an essential addition to any diet. But is there any truth to the claim, especially when it comes to a disease as complex as cancer?
In these brassica vegetables are sulforaphanes. These are another natural chemical. And these sulforaphanes, what do? They boost the immune system, right? Good, strong immune system, knocks out microscopic cancers, also lowers inflammation. Inflammation is like the gasoline on a fire, making the cancer grow hotter and faster. When you actually calm inflammation, you're putting out the fire, all right? And actually that is very helpful when you want to fight cancer.
According to Dr. Lee, a long-term study, published in the International Journal of Cancer in 2018, suggested that a higher intake of cruciferous vegetables, particularly broccoli and cauliflower, was associated with a reduced risk of aggressive prostate cancer. Cruciferous vegetables are nutrient-rich foods with anti-cancer properties and bioactive compounds. They promote overall health by stimulating the immune system and supporting neurological function, making them an essential addition to any diet. So, beyond the usual grab and chew, here are a few ideas of ways to snack on these wonder vegetables. Roasted broccoli with garlic and Parmesan enhances its flavor and retains cancer-fighting properties. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, mince garlic, salt and pepper, roast in the oven until tender, and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. For a healthier stir-fry, substitute cauliflower rice with mixed vegetables and season with soy sauce, sesame oil and ginger. Steam broccoli florets, combine with cooked chickpeas, diced red onion and cherry tomatoes, dressing with olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic and honey. Garnish with fresh parsley and toasted almonds. Number 5. Green tea.
Matcha, which is the whole leaf of green tea powdered up, has been found by researchers to kill breast cancer stem cells. Quite amazing. Those are the baby cells that help the cancer keep coming back. But it does so much other as well. It's anti-inflammatory, good for psoriasis, and lowers stress as well.
Green tea is known for its health benefits and potential to prevent and fight cancer. Its antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, have been shown to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, making it a well-known and effective strategy against cancer. Green tea's rich antioxidant content makes it a promising alternative to traditional cancer treatments.
Who hasn't heard of the benefits of green tea? We know tea has polyphenols. They're called catechins. We know one of the catechins is called EGCG. It's actually really, really good for you. Not only does it cut off the blood supplies to help starve cancers, not only is it anti-inflammatory, not only does it help protect your stem cells so you can regenerate from the inside out, the fiber in green tea and some of the catechins, catechin itself is actually a prebiotic, helps to nourish your gut microbiome, take your gut bacteria, make it happy. It's antioxidant, good for your DNA, stimulates your immune system. It turns out when it comes to your body fat, the catechin actually fights white fat. It actually helps you lose some of the subcutaneous jiggly stuff. But more importantly, it actually helps you lose visceral fat, the harmful baseball glove fat that can be trapped even inside a skinny body. So the bottom line is that green tea drinkers just metabolically are healthier.
Green tea has potential benefits for cancer prevention, including regulating cell growth and division, and reducing the risk of certain cancers like stomach, esophagus, and colorectum. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also help combat chronic inflammation. Green tea is also a natural source of caffeine, promoting alertness without the caffeine jitters associated with coffee. Additionally, it may improve heart health and cognitive function. Green tea is a versatile and healthy beverage that can be consumed in various forms, including smoothies, popsicles, ice cubes, and marinades. blended with fruits, yogurt, or milk. These beverages offer antioxidant benefits. Popsicles can be frozen with honey or fruit juice for a cool snack. Ice cubes can be brewed and added to water or fruit juices for a subtle green tea flavor. Marinating chicken, fish, or tofu in green tea creates a light and flavorful dish. You see how just by eating a healthy diet you can fight cancer and a lot of other diseases. It is as simple as it feels. A healthy and balanced diet is key to a peaceful life. If you want to learn more about healthy eating and living, watch my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.